Welcome to Home of Math. Today's topics multiple choice question based on divisible by 7. This is a very important part for examination. Today we are going to solve 5 MCQ, but number 1 and number 5 we will try to solve last. First we will start from number 2. What is the smallest number that is divisible by 7? Look, in here 10 is not divisible by 7, 14 we can divisible by 7, 21 also, 28 also. So what is the right answer? Here smallest number is 14, so right answer is number B, 14. Number 3. Which of this number is not divisible by 7? Which number? Look, 63 we can divide by 7 because 7 times 9 becomes 63, 7 times 10 becomes 70, 7 times 12 becomes 84, but 91 we cannot divisible by 7. So this is the right answer. Okay, now number 4. A number is divisible by 7 if, look, it ends in number 0, it doesn't matter. Look, here 70 can divisible by 7, 84 also can divisible by 7, and also 63 can divisible by 7. So it ends in 7, it's not a main rule, so we cannot take this one. Number B, the sum of its digit is 7. It also doesn't matter. Look, 7 plus 0 it will be 7, but 8 plus 4 it will be 12. So the sum of its digit is 7. It's not a rule. So number B we cannot take. Number C, it follows the divisibility rule of 7. Yes, this is a correct answer. And number 1 and number 5, once we try to solve, we will discuss about divisibility rule of 7. And finally number D also we cannot take because here it is an even number. It also doesn't matter. Numbers, look, 70 and 63. 70 is a even and 63 is a what? So even or it doesn't matter. So number 2, 3, 4 we are trying to solve. Now we will start number 1 and number 5. Let's start. Which number is divisible by 7? We are trying to follow a rule which is using doubling and subtracting trick. Doubling and subtracting. Look, number 1 question, which of the following numbers is divisible by 7? 124, 161, 343, 215. We don't know about this one. But look, what is doubling and subtracting tricks? Look, here is 1, 2, 4. Here last digit is 4. First step we will double this one, so it will become 8, right? And 1, 2, 4 last digit we already use and we double this one by 2, so remaining number is 12. Look, 12 minus 8 it will be 4. 4 is not divisible by 7. So 124 also not, 124 is not divisible by 7. Do you clear this one? If not, we will try next one, number B, which is 161. So what is our theme? Our theme, we use last digit which is 1. We will double this one. It means we will multiply by 2. So it will become 2. Now we subtract from balance 2 digit, it means 16, so minus 2. So what is 16 minus 2? It will be 14, right? So and this 14 is divisible by 7. Therefore 161 also divisible by 7. Okay, so now 343. Look, 3 4 3, last digit 3, we will double this one, it means multiply by 2, it will become 6. Now this 34 we will subtract by 6, so it will become 28. 28 also divide by 7, so 341 also divide by 343 also divide by 7. Okay, now final one, 215. We don't know does it divisible by 7 or not. So first this last digit or unit digit we will double, it means 5 times 2, it will become 10. Now this 10 we will divide from 21 minus 10, so 11. Look, 11 is not divide by 7, so 215 also not divide by 7. So our right answer is number B and number C, which is 161 and 343. I hope you understand this one. It's a very important math. If we see any number, we can understand this number is divisible by 7 or not. And this kinds of math we cannot use calculator. No calculator, right? Now number 5. Similar, here is also 231. 231. Look, in last digit 1, we can double this one. 1 times 2, it will be 2, right? Now we will subtract from 23, so 23 minus 2, it will be 21. 21 can divide by 7, so 231 also can divide by 7. Now 251, 251. Here last digit is 1, so we can double this one. 1 times 2, it will be 2. Then minus 2, so 25 minus 2, it will be 23. 23 cannot divide by 7. Therefore 251 also not divide by 7. Now number C, let's check. 3 2 1. So here is 1, we can double. 1 times 2, it will be 2. Then we will subtract from 32 minus 2, it will be 31. It will be 30. 30 cannot divide by 7. So this 321 also not divide by 7. Number D, 401. So 1 times 2, it will be 2, and we will subtract from 40 minus 2, it will be 38. 38 cannot divide by 7. So our right answer only 2 3 1, which is number A. Okay, so I hope you clear all questions, and these types of multiple choice question is very important for SAT, IGCSE, International Math Olympiad, and especially grade 6 to 10. I hope you understand everything. If you think this video is helping you, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.